Hi, my name is Curie. Today I'm exploring the Airbnb design system in Figma, which is based on Airbnb Real Product Interface. I chose this system because Airbnb is a strong example of a global platform that needs balance and simplicity and trust. It serves millions of users, so consistency across the experience is extremely important. I'm also a user of this app, and it always gives a friendly and trustworthy feeling every time I use it. I also find it interesting how strongly and consistently its branding is reflected through its design system. The file is organized into two main parts, cover and design system. On the cover page, we can see the most basic and essential elements introduced clearly. So in the design system page, you can find multiple layers that are very well organized. In the placeholder section, components are categorized into variants based on the three different styles. There is a very simple color palette. One thing I found interesting is that it keeps a very minimal primary color, which clearly highlights the identity of the application and represent the brand. It also includes the wide range of grayscale tones for the detailed UI needs, along with red used for ever color. There is a bottom sticky layout option as well, since this is a booking application that contains a lot of information. Using a sticky bottom system is very clever because it presents overlapping and keeps the key actions always accessible. The bottom components are also very simple, using a clean and minimal color palette, which makes them intuitive and well organized. The filter section is also very straightforward with no unnecessary variants. The controls maintain a modern and clean style as well, which fits well with the overall identity of the application. There is another bottom sticky component used in different situations, showing flexibility and layout behavior. There is a typography section divided into bold, underline, regular, and medium style first, which is quite unique. Then each style is further structured into headings and titles. And the font style is also very minimal and modern. The list components are also very clean and simple, which is good strategy for a booking application to pay smoothly. The current layouts displays images and product information with text hierarchy clearly defined based on importance. There are both vertical and horizontal versions. There is also a review section, and tabs are based on two shades of gray, and it maintains a very clean appearance. Lastly, the icon set includes multiple icons, which is necessary for booking application, and they maintain a clean and minimal style with filled color and sharp angled edges. So they are organized based on the pages and the categories. So overall, the Airbnb design system shows how design can scale through structure. It taught me that a strong system is not just about visuals, but about consistency, usability, and collaboration. Thank you.